Welcome to Hahndorf. Where are we? Come here. Today we are in Hahndorf village, established 1839, so it's a little bit older than Lumi, in the Adelaide Hills, German town, German village. We're gonna have some beers, Lumi's gonna have some pretzels and ice cream, because it's hot today, right? Yeah, alright. Stay with us, we'll put the drone up as well, have a look at this village. That's the men's face. Prost! Prost!
Jedno brakuje?
Nie, nie.
Prost!
Nie, nie.
Did I actually?
Ready for a hot dog? How's your hot dog? Delicious? It's just a shame they make them out of dogs, eh? Huh?
They don't make
Big
it.
shame they make them out of big dogs. Dachshunds. Sausage dogs. Good? Cute?
Scary.
What he said.
And
Give him a carrot.
they do.
Find the carrot.
They put them